It's day 57 of the 100-day project, and on my list today is an acrylic portrait of a puppy. All my paintings start off as a shaded sketch. Visualizing the tonal value helps me paint more efficiently, and because this paper is thick enough, I decided not to prime it with gesso. To simplify painting even more, I'm using a limited palette of 4 colors, which is perfect for portraits: cadmium red medium or light, yellow ochre, titanium white, and ivory black. Instead of diving into detail immediately and painting small sections at a time, I start by laying down the values: dark, medium, and light. You can of course always experiment and see what works best for you. Now it's time to add details with a fine brush. This is my favorite step in the process because I can now see the portrait slowly come to life. Finally, I'm going to add some highlights to make this puppy look even more realistic. If you're looking to improve your art, just keep practicing with intent, and you will get better and better with every piece. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week.